Welcome to my channel. Are you interested in buying a car from Copart USA but don't know how their auctions work? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll take you through the ins and outs of car auctions on Copart USA. So, let's get started. Section 1. What is Copart USA? Copart USA is an online car auction platform that sells salvage and clean title vehicles to licensed dismantlers, dealers, and exporters. With over 150,000 vehicles available daily, it's a great resource for car buyers looking for a good deal. Section 2. Types of auctions. Copart USA offers two main types of auctions. Fixed price auctions. Vehicles are sold at a fixed price and you can purchase immediately. Live auctions. Vehicles are sold through a live bidding process and you can bid in real time. Understanding the auction type will help you navigate the platform effectively. Section 3. Auction process. Here's how the auction process works. Vehicle listing. Copart USA lists vehicles with details like make, model, year, condition, and estimated repair cost. Bidding. You place bids on the vehicle and the highest bidder wins. Payment and pickup. Once you've won the auction, you pay for the vehicle and arrange for pickup or shipping. Remember to read the terms and conditions carefully before bidding. Section 4. Vehicle conditions. Copart USA sells vehicles in various conditions, including salvage title, vehicles with damage or repairs. Clean title, vehicles with no damage or repairs. Rebuilder, vehicles that need repairs but are not salvage titled. Understanding the vehicle condition will help you make an informed purchase decision. Section 5. Fees and charges. When buying on Copart USA, keep in mind the following fees and charges. Purchase price, documentation fee, transportation fee if applicable, taxes if applicable. Factor these into your budget to avoid surprises. Understanding car auctions on Copart USA requires knowledge of the platform, auction types, and fees. By following this guide, you'll be well equipped to navigate the site and find your next car. If you have limited funds and you don't want Nigerian car dealers to exploit you as a first-time car buyer, then you'll need to always watch the videos I post every day on this channel. And you'll need to know what your favorite car dealers know. You'll need to know how they normally import those foreign used cars you always admire at their car stands to Nigeria. Let me reveal something to you. I've been in the car importation industry since 2008, and I can confidently tell you that almost all the popular car dealers you know offline and online get their foreign used cars from either Burger Auto Market, Lagos, or Copart USA. You can make a quick Google search to confirm this by yourself. Now, the sweet thing is that getting it directly from Copart is always cheaper, and importing a car from Copart USA to Nigeria is not hard. You just need to know the 4 simple car importation stages involved, and the right way to calculate the exact budget that will bring any car you want down from Copart and clear it in Nigeria. That's just it. Your favorite car dealers are not doing anything special. They just know the 4 simple car importation stages involved, and the right way to calculate the exact budget for any car they want and make it fall within the budget they give you or the budget they want. Copart is your virtual car stand with hundreds of thousands of cars all lined up waiting for you. The only thing you have to do is just pick the car or cars you want, win the bid for them, or use the buy now option. If you don't like stress, make your payment. Then send the cars down to Nigeria while your clearing agent takes care of the clearing process when the car finally arrives in Lagos Port, Nigeria. But don't get too excited. Importing your first car from Copart USA to Nigeria yourself is worth it. But you'll have to be patient enough to have the car sent from Copart to Lagos Port within an average of 6 to 9 weeks, and also be ready to pay above car stand prices sometimes. However, The good thing about importing your first car from Copart to Nigeria yourself is that you're getting exactly what you like without anyone adding unnecessary profit margins here and there. If you want to see how you too can import your first car from Copart USA to Nigeria without the assistance of anyone, then you can either check out the video I left in the description or the one that will pop up on your screen towards the end of this video to see how you too can import your first car from Copart USA to Nigeria without the assistance of anyone. The video clearly breaks down the 4 simple car importation stages all your favorite Nigerian car dealers follow when they want to import any car from USA to Nigeria. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.